Hey, I'm Dan from the GreaterGoods design team, and we're here in our test kitchen to take a look at our matte black kitchen scale. Upon arrival, you'll find your scale in this nice, minimal, eco-conscious packaging, using as little material as possible. We like pointing people toward getting the best use of their product, so inside you'll find this little insert including info on getting started, registering your warranty, and getting in touch with our customer support. Let's take a look at the scale itself. World, meet the matte black GreaterGoods kitchen scale. It does everything you'd expect a kitchen scale to do, starting with 4 units of measurement, including grams, ounces, milliliters, and pounds. And now, maybe most importantly, it looks more awesome than ever. Let's check out the slow-mo. The shape is sleek and compact. It's the perfect utilitarian kitchen scale. A nice, crisp, easy to read display. It's got your accurate readings down to a gram, a solid 11-pound capacity, and additionally, the flat surface is perfect for a passionate home cook, or one that's gonna make a mess. Add the matte black kitchen scale to your cart now and keep watching to see how to get the party started with GreaterGoods kitchen gear.